So here's the update. We have a broken bearing, a broken axle, and I needed a new sway bar, it looked like. Crazy. So yeah, it's not done. Obviously you can see it's being worked on now. So she lives. There probably will be a new addition to the SK fleet at some time soon, but it won't be tomorrow. I'm thankful just because I love my Honda and I didn't want to have to put her down, but that was crazy, man. That was wild. So yeah, another day in the Corona. You already know, SK Lifestyle. All right, so to preface with my car and what happened previously, you can see right down here on the front bumper this huge crack. Well, that came from me hitting a table in the middle of the highway. Somebody must have fell off their car, their truck or something, and I hit it right there. I swerved and missed the majority of it, clearly, because only that cracked. But it came around here, went under the tire and on the side of the tire. You can see kind of hit here a bit and then scraped all along the car. This was already done previously, but this was from it as well. So that's what I hit about almost 2 months ago, and I'm pretty sure that's the lingering problem that was hanging around the ball joint and the axle, and the reason for such a major catastrophic failure of the front left wheel, basically. But you can see that she's back on there now, and she's as ugly as ever, but she drives just fine, and that's what I care about right now. Good old Honda. Except for the ball joints, they suck.